Hi guys, today's video features my morning self-care routine. These are the things that I love to do early in the morning that are going to help me start my day and make sure that I'm going to be the most successful and productive throughout the day. As a busy mom, I always need to start off in my office silently by myself and God, and I just love to pray and read the Bible to really enforce my day and make sure that I am well equipped for whatever my day is going to face. I want to thank today's video sponsor, Dr. Babor, for sending these products my way. And a self-care video just wouldn't be complete if I didn't do a skincare routine. I'm a huge fan of spa-like skincare products, so I naturally gravitated towards the Refined RX AHA peel pads, and these feature 3 HAAs, which you probably already have heard about, which is lactic acid, citric acid, and glycolic acid. This combination is going to reveal glowing skin as it removes your dead skin cells and reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles with continued use. Another great way to set myself up for success while my kids are still sleeping is to make sure I get caffeinated. So a life hack for me is to always make sure I fix my bed in the morning, because there is nothing like getting into a freshly fixed bed at night. So if this is all you get done, success. Now that my skin is all rinsed off, it's time to go in with my Rebalancing Liquid, which is just a toner. And the reason for using a toner is that it preps your skin for all the yummy products you're about to apply, making them so much more effective. If you want to know which products, in my opinion, pack a lot of power, it's always going to be a serum. And today I'm using the Power Serum Hyaluronic Acid Ampoules, and this product is going to really intensely hydrate all the layers of your skin. And because it's such a thin liquid material, it's going to really be able to penetrate deeply into your skin, helping you with your dehydration and loss of volume. Now it's time to seal in all of this goodness, and I'm using the Lifting RX Collagen Cream, and this is going to help improve the firmness and visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. To highlight one of the many benefits of this product, this moisturizer features marine collagen, which fortifies your skin's surface to help improve elasticity and firmness and reduce how deep wrinkles appear. Eye creams take some time to really show you all of its benefits, but what I do love is that it worked well with my under eye concealer, which is a must for me. I do not leave my house without it. Mom of 3 here, so yeah, it worked really well. So if you wear makeup, this product definitely will not interfere with wearing your under eye concealer. The kids are up, which means I'm officially starting my day, but I wanted to do a quick makeup look to show you guys how glowy my skin looks thanks to those exfoliating pads. I really love how my skin is just so bright and beautiful and also extremely smooth. The makeup was just gliding on. So I want to thank today's video sponsor, Dr. Babor, for these products and also for sponsoring today's video. I thank them so much for introducing me to their products, and I hope that you guys took something from this. Check out their links down below. I feel you guys would really love their products, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Till my next video, stay beautiful.